Whenever you see an absolute value problem, you really see two problems, just like before. But you have to be careful with how you do your two problems. If you set these up wrong, you're going to be sunk. The first one is exactly how you see it without the absolute value. And the second one, I'm going to put it down here, is 6y minus 5. You don't change what's inside the absolute value, but then you flip the sign and put a negative 13. So you change the sign of the right, and also you flip the inequality sign. Got it? And now you solve each one individually. So 6y is greater than or equal to 18. Y is greater than or equal to 3. And here we have 6y is less than or equal to 8, negative 8. And divide by 6. Y is less than or equal to negative 4/3. So we put the two numbers in the order that they go. So negative 4/3 is over here, and 3 is here. And now I'm going to take my original problem, and I'm going to pick a number from this side, and from this side. Okay? Because sometimes you get a false positive on these. So I want you to just practice doing this, even though this one you really don't need to. What is a number below negative 4/3?
Negative 2.
Negative 2 is correct. So what is 6 times negative 2 up here?
Negative 12.
Negative 12 minus 5? Negative 17, right? What's the absolute value of negative 17? Absolute value of a negative number is? 17. Is 17 bigger than 13? Yep. So this is going to be a yes. Now pick a number between negative 4/3 and 3. There's a really easy one to use. 0. When you put a 0 up there, you get the absolute value of negative 5, right? The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. Is 5 bigger than 13? Put an X there. Now what about the 3? Bigger than 3? 4. You've got 24 minus 5 is 19. The absolute value of 19 is 19. Is 19 bigger than 13? You see what I'm doing? I'm just plugging in. So that's a yes. And is it a donut or a dot?
It's a donut. Dot.
It's a dot because it's greater than or equal to. So it's over here and over here. To use your calculator, you're going to put this left side of the equation in the first y equal and your right side in the second y equal. And you could go ahead and plug in values in each section to see if it works, and you don't have to do it by hand like I did. So you check it by putting in values that are in each section of that graph and seeing if it's a yes or a no. If it's a no, you don't graph over there. You just graph here and here because those are where your two yeses were.